In this video, we are going to talk about how to attract younger women as an older man. So before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Have unique skills. Women want skilled men. Some evolutionary interpretations credit this to money, because only the wealthy have enough spare time to pursue their hobbies while employing others. Because skill development takes time, an older guy had more time to improve his skills than a younger man, at least on paper. These female-pleasing skills might range from martial arts to making a gourmet meal. Be good in bed. If there's one thing older guys are better at, it's dealing with women. Older males are also more experienced in bed and know how to sexually satisfy their female partners. They recognize that sex is not only for males, but also for women. An older man and a younger woman have this sexual chemistry that works wonders in bed. When you're dating an older man, the spark can be difficult to ignite. If you've ever wondered, why am I sexually attracted to older men? It's because they know how to make you feel wonderful in bed. Easy on the creepiness. Please don't use the creep card in any way. When older guys date younger women, they frequently act strangely. Maybe it's because they're out of their element. It makes no difference. Just don't do it. Avoid excessive talking or staring. Play it cool and assured. A younger woman is bound to make an older man feel uneasy. You need to use your mind over matter to get through this as soon as possible. You don't want to feel in any way unworthy. That is an accident waiting to happen. Get playful with her. This is meant in a non-sexual sense. Depending on the situation, you can flirt a little. However, it is preferable to tease younger women. Make fun of her to bring out her fake crazy. It's all in good fun, and being completely immature. Every now and then is healthy. Get a little beneath her skin and into her head. If you do that, you'll be all set. Take control. Young ladies lack mature control, for example. Young ladies admire males who are capable of making decisions and taking command. That's a sign of seductive confidence, which can be genuinely fantastic for a young woman in our chaotic society. Young ladies are not attracted to men who are unwilling to seize the bull by the horns and take command. If you're inexperienced or timid, you'd better go to work. It will happen if you take charge. Take a chill pill with your moves. Every gorgeous lady on the earth is almost certain to have a fantastic story about a filthy older man who tried to pick her up. You don't want to be that man, believe me. In a young girl's eyes, old typically translates to dodgy, and you must be careful not to give her those feelings. If you start making moves right away, you'll be perceived as a pervert. Slow down and, for the love of God, keep your hands off her. Demonstrate to her that you are a gentleman who is willing to wait. It's the only way you can make it work. Steer clear of interference. Starting interfering in a young gorgeous girl's life is the simplest way to make her flee. Keep your distance from her career, social life, and family life. This implies you shouldn't show up at her house, phone her at work, or join her for a girls' night out at the club. That's a recipe for disaster. Allow her to be self-sufficient. Sure, whenever you can, you should offer her assistance and insight into all aspects of life. Simply avoid interfering with her life in general, or you'll quickly find yourself in hot trouble. Leave the door open. So she goes to you. This isn't meant literally. What I mean is that you should ignore her a little so that she comes to you rather than the other way around. Young females frequently seek to flee their homes, which leads to immature neediness. I don't mean that negatively. You just must exercise caution if you do not wish to take on the role of father. Encourage her to go out and enjoy her life on her own terms. You'll have to swindle to do this. It may not seem pleasant, but it is necessary for your own good. Make little time for her. Younger ladies have a different perspective than older men. Because she's a younger woman, you want to see her as frequently as possible. What you must recognize and accept is that younger ladies are not emotionally mature. When you offer them a lot of your time, they might read more into it than you want. Do you understand what I'm saying? Keep your distance and control unless you're seeking for a clinging needy relationship that's hot and heavy serious. Once a week is ideal, twice is acceptable, but never more. Take cautious not to ruin what could have been a fantastic opportunity. Prepare yourself for continuous change. When dating younger women, your head must be prepared for a lot of change. It's understandable because she still has a few years to figure herself out. You must assist her in growing and supporting herself in this. Maintain an open mind and assist her in becoming a better person. Understand that you won't be with her in a few years, but it doesn't mean you shouldn't take the initiative now. Chivalry wins. To be honest, many younger ladies have no idea what chivalry entails. If you're unsure, take action and educate yourself. You are the top of the crop if you open doors for women without being asked, pull out their chair, and assist them with their jacket. It's a clear indication that you're more respectful and refined than the other males. You're in luck. Be rock solid. It makes no difference which way you slice it. Women are naturally emotional and dramatic, and their lives are always full of events. The most of the time, they don't notice it. When a woman flips a lid on you, the first thing you should do is let it go. Keep your cool and let it go. Avoid becoming the fixer. Make no attempt to be daddy. Maintain your composure and demonstrate that you are her rock. If you do that, the magic will happen. Just take my word for it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.